I've been riding for a few years already. Whilst you always think that you're some kind of pelumba maut kind of guy, I found out that I've picked up a lot of dirty habits or bad habits when I was riding, especially around corners, not being able to see the apex, or concentrating too much on the corners and not looking ahead, which is one of my biggest issues, not looking ahead. So here I was able to identify some of the mistakes that I'm making and learning to correct on those mistakes. It'd be interesting to know what else it is, what other bad habits are picked up in the next sessions that we follow it. So come try it.
i-Moto.My i-RideClinic yang berlangsung di litaran terbang Segu Kat Sepang baru-baru ini.
Selain United Kingdom, peserta dari 3 negara lain termasuk Thailand, Jepun dan Singapura turut terbabit dalam latihan ini. Menurut jurulatihnya Roger Chia, antara sebab utama penganjuran kelas tunggangan ini ialah bagi membina keyakinan diri serta mempertingkatkan kemahiran menunggang sama ada di dalam maupun di luar lita lumba.
No, they buy the bikes and they feel not confident in riding. So what we teach is essential riding skills that throttle control, braking, lining, and also body position, and also increase the more control over the bike, more confidence.
Beliau berpengalaman lebih 30 tahun dalam dunia tunggangan dan perlumbaan motosikal, sehingga kini lebih 300 model motosikal dari seluruh dunia telah ditunggangnya. Pengalaman Roger beraksi bersama legenda MotoGP Valentino Rossi dan Loris Capirossi sedikit sebanyak dicurahkan kepada para peserta.
From when I started to where I am now, I could definitely see a difference just by going around and learning about the lines and getting some trust back into the bike. I think because there's no other cars and bikes on the road, you don't have to worry about it. You just worry about your riding, which is very good.
Sepanjang sesi pembelajaran, aspek mengimbangi kelajuan motosikal, pertukaran gia, pendikit minyak serta brek khususnya sewaktu mengambil selekoh ditekankan kepada peserta. Peserta dan jurulatih lengkap memakai suit perlumbaan dan memasuki lita dengan motosikal masing-masing selari dengan modul latihan tertentu. Pada sesi latihan pertama, pelajar perlu mengekori jurulatih dan mengikuti setiap gerak-geri serta teknik tunggangan yang ditunjukkan. Selepas melengkapkan beberapa pusingan, mereka berkumpul semula dan berbincang bagi memperbaiki teknik tunggangan sekiranya terdapat kesilapan.
I already took this class for 5 times and today is my 6th time. And every time I take this class, I feel more confident on the road. I'm improving skills slowly.
Fantastic. I mean, just getting a feel for the track and understanding how the weight of the bike, because it's still fairly heavy, the way that the bike works on the corners and that you can adjust that with the throttle, and you don't have to use brakes if you're riding carefully. You get a feel for how to ride the bike, as it wants to be ridden.